A St. James senior citizen is pleading for help after Hurricane Melissa destroyed her home. Months later, she's still living in poor conditions without proper shelter. With little support, Lesma Reid says there's nowhere else to turn. She says she has applied to the government's roofs program. However, the wait has been long and difficult.
Disagreeable, like comment, leave yourself to God. That's it.
So you say you have somewhere, you have a room where you sleep in?
It's not even good, but it's the bed, not okay. But I sleep on one side of it. And when rain party, all of it have to go tear down. Because God just hold up that little part for me.
As she holds on for assistance, Ms. Reid is hoping relief will come soon.
Something for Mr. Wheatley down at the part office tomorrow. Because they say I was to come back the last of June, but I just wait until yesterday I went and I have a letter what he gave me to come back tomorrow morning to go over the Sagacor Bank.
In the meantime, a GoFundMe account has been set up under the title Help Miss Lesma Rebuild after Hurricane Melissa.